Hey guys, if you want to know how I achieved this style, please continue watching the video. Bye! What is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Kiara Tashe, back with another video. As you guys seen from the title, I will be doing a quick how to refresh your wash and go, quick and easy. This is basically an old wash and go that I had like 2 days ago, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I usually prep it up, because as you can see, I'm about to go to work, so I try to do this as quick as possible because I don't like to take a lot of time doing my hair. And I'll go in with my little homemade oil. This basically is avocado oil, olive oil, and the black castor oil, but the peppermint version. So I usually like to just go through my hair just to kind of like wake it up a little bit. Handy spray bottle. In this video, I will be using the Edge Booster Styling Gel, the Sweet Peach scent. It smells very good. It keeps my hair moisturized and it gives me amazing curl definition. This is my second or third time using it, so I love it so far. And for $13, I mean, you really can't beat it. So I usually use this to refresh my curls as well. Throughout the video, you'll notice that I'm curling my hair with my fingertips. It just gives my hair more definition when I do it on my own, because using detangling brushes to curl define my hair doesn't really give me the definition or the effect that I want. So I just go through. It takes a little bit longer, but it's worth the try. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner mist. It's by Cantu. It smells amazing. I showed you guys this in my previous video of my favorite products of 2020 so far. I love it. It smells good and it keeps my hair hydrated throughout the day as well. So you guys know I had to come in with the Edge Booster Pomade edge control, baby, because I gotta slay these edges. Like, y'all know the style is not complete if the edges is not done, period. So I love this edge control. It's for $7.99. You can't beat it. It literally makes my hair hold like all day. So I love it, I love it, I love it. don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click that bell every time I get a video uploaded, okay? Period. Please go ahead and do that if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.